Hello, my name is Barry Olson, and I'm here to invite you to be a member of our team. We're building a team that will recommend a new performance evaluation system. This first presentation is just to familiarize the team for you and hope that you are interested as your different departments will be selecting their membership. 5 sections: team building methods, team dynamics and strategy, team member selection, team diversity, and team coaching. For team building methods, we're going to build a team that, one, will accomplish goals, work together, assess and train, regroup, set and clarify, review progress, establish norms, and be structured. To accomplish the goal, we will recommend a new performance system and also improve morale. We want to do this by December 15th. By working together, we'll support each other, contribute. Each of us, as members of the team, will be open and honest and trusting, challenge each other in a safe and trusting manner, and we'll also practice collaboration. We're going to assess and train the team and individuals as we go through the steps of the team development and the project. We'll be looking at individual behavior, team structure elements, and interdependent behaviors. We'll also regroup to clarify the mission and roles and goals and also the deadlines as needed. We'll set and clarify those roles and goals and deadlines. We'll ensure each member's acceptance so that we're a successful team. We'll review progress weekly and update meetings. We're going to use a Gantt chart approach, and we will identify timelines and milestones in that process. We'll establish norms that tap into your individual strengths and team strengths. We'll make sure people follow through with their commitments. We'll enhance and endorse creativity. We expect some back and forth with different ideas and positions on things, and we'll strive to motivate the team and all the individuals in the team. The structure of the team will be made so that it's a diverse and cross-functional team, and it will work towards a common goal, which I've already identified. Remember the quote: "Together we will achieve, celebrate, learn, and grow." Building this effective team requires us to understand team dynamics and strategy. The dynamics are about the effects of the roles and the behaviors of team members and the team as a whole group. There's internal team dynamics where team members will be taking on various social roles. We're going to have people that will help to harmonize, some that help to compromise when there's differences, and also some that will help to be commentators. Team members that are collaborating towards a decision and holding each other accountability will be a part of our team and how we proceed together. Leaders guiding the members to make decisions and enabling members to take on various social roles will be encouraged. We have to work together as a team, and these roles will be necessary. External team dynamic characteristics include roles relating to those external functioning of the team. Things like information dissemination, buffering, advising, being gatekeepers and coordinators, and also strategists to help communicate with the external people outside. Exhibiting strong leadership is important for our leader to have a behavior that provides a positive dynamic that augments the team's decision-making and communication. It'll enable members to assume external dynamic roles. The leader will also know the team and its members very well. They will work to prevent overload, to encourage interaction, and conduct team building exercises, recognizing, celebrating, and acknowledging success. The team member selection is going to ensure that we have a cross-functional team. There'll be a member from each of the departments. HR will also be involved in recommending certain skills as needed. There'll be supervisory references checked on to check on a person's ability to collaborate and have communication skills. And the person will be able to be an expert for their respective department in the implementation phase. This diverse team composition will have a mix of professional backgrounds, and there will also be various years of experience, and we'll make sure that we have a mix of gender and cultural backgrounds. Technical expertise will be needed, and those demonstrated competencies in the respective fields and departments will be sure to acquire that skill and possess key technical requirements that are needed by a team, such as certain IT things and certain HR functions. Task management is another area that we have to ensure that people on the team and the members have demonstrated ability to manage individual tasks, and they also have demonstrated ability to participate and contribute in group tasks. They'll have interpersonal skills, demonstrated team player, able to give and receive feedback, demonstrated ability to recognize people and their accomplishments, and willing to learn from others. The team diversity is so critical to our role, and the composition strategy will be to have those professional backgrounds from each of the departments, and we've got those listed there. They're all of our functional areas. There'll also be a mixture of people with different years of experience, some with less than 10 years and some with more than 10 years. There'll be some technical folks, some supervisory experience is good to have, and also some operations experience in our mix. We'll be careful to make sure that we have a good gender mix, race mix, and if there's a need for language and dialect mix, we'll ensure that that's present. There'll be special and technical and leadership requirements. The HR department representative will be the leader of the team, and they'll have to have good leadership skills. The HR department will also provide those special employee development knowledge and expertise that the team will need. And the IT department rep will have to have system software skills, so as we start to evaluate those different systems, we've got the skill set there to rationalize that. Another thing to remember is diversity, not sameness, makes a great team. Now, team coaching is also important. We have a leader. I said it'll come out of the HR group. The coaching needs to be handled with good situational leadership. The coach will need to deal with individual team members. They'll have a direct interaction with the team and the members. They'll have one-on-one discussions and feedback with each member. And as I mentioned on the front end, it's important that they be able to practice good situational leadership. People are at various stages of development and competency, and that leader needs to be able to adapt to that and be flexible. They'll also need to coach the team through functions, training and education of the team, motivation at meetings, team building and goal setting, enhancing and collaborating, and group synergy are going to be very important. Coaching the team at specific times, the leader will need to be aware of opportunities that require coaching action, and also to be able to conduct those coaching interventions at the appropriate time so they have the greatest effect. And lastly, but not least, is coaching the team in specific conditions. It'll be important for the leader and the team to choose a setting wisely for each coaching situation. And of course, individual coaching is not done in a group setting. I've referenced here a few things that are important to acknowledge, some Google search and quotations. A very good book on situational leadership, if you're interested, is that Blanchard article. Thanks for listening and have a great day.